All right, guys, today we're going to take this area from looking like this to this. All right, guys, this is the whole reason that we are cleaning that space out. We always store the wood over there for the wood stove. I still have all this. I have to split up, so there'll be a video coming on that probably. But right now, it's starting to become summertime. The grass is starting to grow. Sorry for the wind noise. And I don't want to mow around this again this year. I had to mow around it last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this picked up and put as much in there as I can. All right, guys, we got this stacked up. There's still a bunch more outside, but I'm kind of running out of space here. I'll have to stack the rest over my carport. If you can see, I have the electrical box here. I have to be able to open it, so I couldn't keep stacking it up the wall. So I just made a little, kind of like a little hump here. And this is gonna be playing for next winter in here because I also use the torpedo heaters. So if you like this video, come back. I have this. I have car content. Might get into some other stuff. You never know. Thanks for watching.